Do you like munching things? Snacks that you want to have just like that anyway? You're not hungry, but still you want to eat something just like that. These are what we typically call as snacks. And I am no exception. I also want to eat just like that few times. But here is one recipe that helps you have that snack in a very healthy way. If you are new to this channel, let me introduce. I focus on making recipes that are healthy, delicious, and visually appealing. So these are meant for everybody as a substitute or a supplement to their regular foods so that your health can be improved. So subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. If you watch till the end of the video, I will also provide nutritional benefits of this particular recipe and few other details such as how to store them, which could be useful to you. So watch on. Will add these cut bottle gourd pieces, and I will also drop in the chilies that I have cut. I am also squeezing the lemon juice. I will now process this in a high speed blender until it becomes a fine material. I am adding some flaxseed powder to this. This will do the binding as well as give that cookie flavor. Process this again. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? To be able to remove the crackers or cookies later with ease once they get dehydrated, I don't want them to be sticking to the tray. I'm spreading some coconut oil on the top of this and will spread the dough over to this. I am not going to spread in a very thin manner because once they get dehydrated, anyway they will become substantially thinner. So after this is evenly spread, I am going to sprinkle some cumin seeds just for that extra bit of spice. And I switched on the dehydrator at about 45 degrees Celsius. These will remain in the dehydrator for several hours. I will come back again when they are done. So here are the crackers. After 1.5 days of effort, this has taken longer than it should have. Normally I will have to dehydrate anything between 12 to 24 hours. This one has actually taken me, I think, more than 36 hours. And I realized what was the mistake I made. I had the flaxseed powder, half of what I should have had, because bottle gourd has a lot of water and it has taken quite a bit of time to dehydrate completely. By the time it had become brittle, this has taken a while, but the taste is quite good. I think the cumin seeds addition that I made turned out to be pretty good. These are very nice, and I think they crack well as a cracker should. Do you want to check it out? There you go. They're quite good. The lemon juice had added the sourness to the crackers, so I wanted to avoid salt. With salt it would have been different and then probably tasted more closer to what we would commercially buy, but these are quite good. And the cumin seeds, like I said, added a lot of taste. They are relatively brittle. Now the dehydrated biscuits, crackers, cookies, whatever you may make, they will never taste the same exactly as the commercial bought ones. That is something one has to realize. It's these whatever recipes we make in raw food, these are kind of taking inspiration from what we already have in cooking foods, and then we try to make something similar. This doesn't necessarily mean that you will exactly get the same taste as that of a cooked food. So they are not like baked food. I have dehydrated them just at 45 degrees Celsius. This has taken a fairly long time. So the kind of crispiness, the kind of the charcoal kind of a taste that you would get when you burn, you will not have this. These are the naturally tasting. I can feel the bottle gourd taste in this. I can feel the flaxseed taste in this. I can definitely feel the taste of the lemon juice. That's what raw food is all about. So this is a snack that I could healthily, happily eat for quite some time. I think you should try it out too. Give it a try if you have a dehydrator at home. If you do not have, I recommend that you buy a cheap dehydrator which is just available for over 1000 rupees plus, I think, or 2000 rupees in India. They're not very expensive. I will check on the price and then update it. And thank you for watching the video and appreciating the recipes that I make. I appreciate your recognition. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. The easiest way to reduce your tummy is by reducing the calorie intake for the dinner. Wow, this has come up much better than I had hoped for. Bell pepper gives a good crunchiness to the salad. Easiest way of making your tummy half is by reducing calorie intake at the dinner time. Feel the difference not in a few days but just immediately, the very next day.